Major gun find on a highway in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A police team headed by Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of Crime and Security Portfolio, Fitz Bailey, are reporting that they have seized approximately 9 firearms and 466 rounds of assorted ammunition during a targeted operation on a section of the Edward Seaga Highway in St. Catherine on Friday. According to police report, a team acting on information intercepted 2 motor vehicles along the highway at approximately 9:30 p.m. A search of the vehicle was subsequently conducted. The search yielded 3 M16 rifles, 5 pistols, 1 revolver, 235.56 rounds of ammunition, 159mm cartridges, 21.45 cartridges, 8 rifle magazine and 17 pistol magazine.
On Friday the 3rd of June 2022, a white Toyota Axio motorcar was spotted in the St. Catherine area piloting a white AD wagon which was unregistered. The action of the vehicle arose the suspicion of the police. Consequently, a team of police officers was mobilized and the car was intercepted on the Edward Seaga Highway in the vicinity of the Linstead exit about 8 in the evening. 2 occupants were taken from the Axio motorcar and 1 from the AD wagon. A preliminary search of the vehicles was done on the location. The AD wagon had several packages in the back, and during the search, 3 firearms were identified. The vehicles, along with its content and the occupants, were taken to the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters, where a comprehensive search was done, resulting in the discovery of 3 5.56 caliber rifles, 5 9mm pistol, 1 revolver, 17 magazines for pistols, 8 magazines for rifle, and 440 assorted ammunition. The investigation is being conducted by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. The 3 occupants were placed in custody and the investigation continues.
3 men were taken into custody. Their identities, however, have not yet been revealed by the police as the investigation continues. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide it more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.